Hey there, welcome to How to Crypto. I hope you all are doing well. Today you will learn how to read the release notes of Electrum Wallet on your computer. Before I start this video, be sure to subscribe to this channel and do not forget to click on bell icon. So let's begin. So first of all, you need to head towards your web browser and type Electrum Bitcoin Wallet in the search bar and hit enter and select the official website of Electrum website. Or instead, you can type electrum.org in the search bar and hit enter. Either way, you will be entering to the official website of Electrum. After you enter the official website, you will see the option to download Electrum button. Click on it and a new page will open. Click on Release Notes. It will then take you to the new page where you will find release notes of Electrum Wallet. Have a good look at it. I hope you guys liked this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you guys for watching this video and make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon.